Hey, welcome back to Everyday Barbecue. My name is Mike, and today we're going to go back out on the Blackstone. We're going to do some French toast and some maple sausage. Let's get started. So here's something I make for my kids inside, not all the time, but on the occasion. We're going to do this out on the Blackstone today. It's going to be my first time doing French toast out on the Blackstone, and it's a simple recipe. It should be easy for you to follow along. It's going to be delicious. We're going to do some maple sausage links with this. So let me adjust this camera, bring you in, and show you what I'm working with. Okay, so like I said, we've got some maple sausage links here that we're going to do out on the griddle. We're going to sear those up and cook them perfectly to go along with this French toast. Now for the French toast, we've got some milk, we've got some vanilla, we've got some nutmeg, and we've got some cinnamon, and I've got some eggs in a blender here, which I'm going to show you in a moment. We're going to get this all mixed up. I've also got some blueberries here that I'm going to be crushing in a pot of warm maple syrup on the griddle top. That's something I just thought of. Haven't done that before, but we're going to knock that out today, make some really nice syrup with that. And I've got my thick Texas toast here that obviously you know you need when you're going to make French toast. So let's go ahead and get this mixture started right now. All right, simple mixture. Let's get started. I've got 10 eggs here. Okay, so to that, we're going to add 2 cups of milk, 3 teaspoons of vanilla, a pinch of nutmeg, 1.5 tablespoons of cinnamon. And now we blend. All right, this is ready to go. So our fall weather is starting to set in. It's beautiful outside. It's nice and cool. The Blackstone's preheating right now. Let's get all this stuff outside. Let's have some fun. Let's hang out. Let's cook some breakfast. All right, let's start with the sausage. All right, so this has been on for just a couple minutes and it's cooking along very nicely. We're just gonna keep working this around until it's where we want it. All right, I apologize about the background noise. Again, I've got a neighbor out here that decided to mow their lawn. I think people just wait and look for me to drag my camera out. Anyway, the sausage is about halfway done, so we'll be back when this is about ready to move over and get that syrup started. And then of course, we're gonna knock that French toast out. All right, sausage is almost right where I want it. Now we're gonna go ahead and get this pot of maple syrup on here. I'm gonna move it towards the back, and we're gonna let that warm up nice and slow. Okay, our sausage is about 80% done. I cut one open just to check. So we're gonna go ahead and let these finish here on the cool side. So now that the sausage is moved over, I've turned the whole griddle onto low because I just wanna keep this really warm, but I don't necessarily wanna scald everything. So the griddle top's really hot right now. I'm going to give it a couple minutes to simmer down. Meanwhile, maple syrup is warm. It's time to add our blueberries. Now we're going to get that back on the griddle top, and we're going to let that keep warming. Now that this is warm, I'm going to be crushing these blueberries into this syrup here. And we're just going to let those simmer real nice and let all those flavors release into that syrup. As soon as I start crushing these, I can smell those blueberries. This just smells absolutely beautiful. Okay, it's time to get this French toast on. I'm going to put down some oil here, get a nice coating. Spread that around. Okay, so what I'm using here is just a small glass pie dish. I've poured some of our mixture in, and we're just going to put our bread in. We're going to get it soaked on both sides. And now it's time for the griddle. The smell is just outstanding. Okay, we're gonna do this 9 more times. And finally, our last one. All right, let's take a peek here. Oh yeah, guys, the smell is beautiful. Nice golden brown. All right, Blackstone peeps, if you haven't done this, you seriously need to do some French toast out here, because I'm telling you what, this smell is just beautiful. Look at the golden brown color. I can't wait to plate this up and give it a try, especially with the syrup. Speaking of that, let's go ahead and give that a little love. All right, we are just a few minutes from being done. Okay, time to get these sausages off. And just look at the beautiful sear on those. And these smell so delicious. Just check this syrup out. This is so beautiful. All right, time to get this French toast off. I'm gonna grab this and I'm gonna meet you inside and we're gonna build a beautiful plate. These smell so good. Let's build a plate. Okay, so we're gonna start with these two beautiful pieces of French toast. Now we've got some melted butter. And let's see how this syrup came out. This smells absolutely unbelievable. All right, let's rock a little powdered sugar here. We'll pair this with a couple sausages here. And I almost forgot. All right, so it is very possible that this may turn out to be my favorite breakfast item on the Blackstone yet. My syrup turned out beautiful. This just smells awesome, and I'm ready to dig in. Let's get a bite of this. So I'm gonna start here with some French toast with that syrup, a blueberry or two, some of this whipped cream. I have no words for this. Decadent, delicious, beautiful, unbelievably tasty. I gotta get some more. Cheers. Bite of sausage. You know, I know there's some people out there that every time I do a taste test and I tell you the stuff's good, they probably think I'm full of crap because I'm trying to make you think it's good. This is outstanding. Every time I take one of my indoor recipes and do it out on the griddle, I swear that I'll never do it inside again. Somehow, some way, that griddle has elevated the flavor of this French toast to a level that I've just never tasted before. I mean, it is absolutely outstanding. So my kids are hungry. I'm gonna have to let you guys go. I hope you enjoyed this episode. I really appreciate your support as always. If you'd like to support me, you can like this video, leave a comment, subscribe to my channel if you like what I'm doing. Thank you so much for stopping by today. Take care, and I'll see you on the next episode.